we are appealing to the people of Karnataka to vote for NOTA. The reason is Nirbhaya Dharmasthala, that is Saujanya, a 17-year-old student from STM college in Dharmasthala, was abducted, gang raped and brutally murdered on October 9th, 2012. But after that, no political party leaders took the issue seriously. We want to show that the entire people of Karnataka, especially the coastal two constituencies, they are against the ignorance, carelessness of political leadership to provide justice to the family of rapes. And also, in Karnataka, it has become a habit that each and every day, an innocent girl, a woman, is raped, but there is no justice. So, to create an awareness, we are campaigning for NOTA to create an awareness for the safety of women of this state. Because we are all parents of daughters, we are all brothers, sisters, and we have mother. But when such sexual molestations are not taken seriously by the criminal justice system, then who will protect our daughters? Who will protect our women? So in this regard, we are appealing, and major under the leadership of our leader Maheshshettythimarody and the family of victim Saujanya, with their consent and with their direction, the entire campaign will proceed. And this is for the first time in the entire country that NOTA awareness campaign will be held till the last date of election campaign. Like a candidate of political party campaigns seriously and effectively, we work even more than that. We are conducting a big people's function, awareness campaign at Sulya Taluk on 24th of this month. And also each and every booth agent will be appointed to cast their vote for NOTA. Like a political party campaigns, in the same manner we are creating an awareness to vote for NOTA.